Good day, madam. Good day.
Why are you stalking me?
I'm not stalking you. I actually bought your stuff. Here, take it.
What's with all this shenanigans? All I asked for was an apology.
And
You didn't need to go about buying me stuff, gifts, whatever that is.
I dropped my son at school. I left everything I was supposed to do. Stopped to buy you things and I offer it to you and this is how you talk to me? Even though I'm trying to pacify for what my son did?
Oh, now you believe he did it. Wow.
Okay, yeah. I'm just trying to make up. That's all.
Well, all I ask for is an apology. That's all.
I've been nice to you. I've tried to offer you things. I've bought you stuff. What do you want? You want my blood? You want to kill me?
All I want is for you to say I'm sorry. That's all.
You need me to say I'm sorry, right? You're a very proud woman. You're very proud. You see, you deserve to be where you are today because of your pride. And as a woman, you shouldn't be proud like that. You should be humble. You should be humble. Humility is something you need to learn. I don't blame you. What are you doing? Why are you not in school?
I'm going home.
Why are you going home?
They chased me from school because I didn't pay my school fees.
Oh, yes. Okay, come into the car. Let me take you back to your school.
My mommy said I shouldn't follow any stranger.
Yes, I agree. And she's right. She's right. What's the name of your school again?
St. Bridget.
St. Bridget. What class are you?
Primary 3A.
Primary 3A. What's your full name?
Naomi Okafor.
Naomi Okafor. Okay. All right. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
And it's time to play.
I wish I had a toy to play with.
Don't worry. Mommy's working very hard to give you the life that you deserve, okay?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. And in no time, you have a lot of toys at your disposal.
And we say...
Amen? Amen! Okay, so let me just sweep around that area, okay? Just stay here and play with your hands. I'll be back, okay? Good girl.
Kevin,
Yes, sir.
have you done your homework? I thought I told you to do your homework and stop playing.
Why should I stop playing, Dad?
What?
No, why should I stop playing? I am playing like any other kid would do. Yeah. And besides, this is an airplane. And I'm going to be a pilot when I grow up. And a wise man said, catch them young. Thank you.
Well, thanks for that education. Have you done your homework?
No.
You see, I have been getting complaints from your school about your undone homework, and I am tired of hearing all of those.
What?
Now,
Dad!
I will confiscate this until you do your homework. And I don't want to see you with this again.
Come on, Dad! Please! Where are you taking my toy to?
No, if I see your feet outside of this room, I'll skin you alive.
Come on, Dad.
Go and sit.
Please.
Now!
Not fair, not fair, not fair at all! Come on, Dad! Come on! Oh, come on! My toys!
Naomi, where did you get that toy from?
From the church over there, God has answered our prayer.
Come on now. Hey, you know better than to play with things from the trash. We were meant to sanitize it first.
Okay, Mommy.
Bring it. Let me go and find a way to wash it. Wait there, I'm coming.
Okay.
This isn't fair. Where are my toys? Dad! You come and provide my toys.
Are you ready?
Dad, I can't find my toys.
You said what?
I can't find my toys.
You can't find your toys.
Yeah.
You should be worried about school. You're here worried about toys.
I'm not a big fan of school. Where are my toys?
So, that's what you're worried about. You know, I don't blame you. If you had to trek to school like other kids, would you be worried about toys? If you had to come back from school and go to the farm like we did, would you be worried about toys? As a matter of fact, you're not getting any toys until the holidays. You hear me? Get your bags, let's go.
What the hell?
Come back here. Drop the bag. Hold your 2 ears. I said hold your 2 ears. Now, don't you ever use that language in my house again. You hear me? You hear me? Open your bloody lips. You hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Pick up your bags and let's go. Now move.
hand it over. Give me my airplane, you little thief. I'm not a thief. I don't care. Just give me my airplane. I found it from the dustbin. It's mine. Give me my airplane. It's mine. Give me. It's mine.
Naomi, what happened to you?
The boy beat me.
He beats you?
Yes,
Why?
not me.
Which boy?
The boy living there.
Take me there. Take me there. Take me there. Come on, show me this boy. Show him to me. Come outside. Okay, hurry up. Where is he?
Who are you? What are you looking
said,
for?
where is he?
Where's who?
Your son, of course. He beat my daughter.
I'm sorry, you have the wrong house.
I don't have the wrong house. I said your son slapped my daughter.
My son?
Yes. Am I speaking French?
My son that is inside studying slapped your daughter. How?
So I'm lying. So I'm lying. Eh? So even if I'm lying, this small girl is lying. Please go and bring your son.
You know what? I'm going to give you the benefit of doubt and ask him.
Hurry up. Oga, hurry up now.
Don't bang my gate again.
It depends on how long you take. Hurry up.
I see you're reading your books.
Yeah, Dad.
That's good. Have you been downstairs?
No, doing what exactly?
No, nothing. Just keep it up, okay? Good. Yeah.
I said bring your son. Where is he?
Madam, I can see that you're mentally challenged and I will not indulge you.
Stand here, stand here, stand here. With all due respect, sir, you are the one who is mentally challenged. I just told you that your son hit my daughter. Instead of you to bring him out here to apologize, you're insulting me? Eh?
See, if I... How dare you come to my house and be talking to me like that? Is something wrong with you?
Wait. Was that hand coming to my face? You wanted to slap me. No wonder. No wonder you have such a mannerless child. So you're the one who's raising that boy. You're raising him to be physically abusive. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Look, madam, the only thing that is saving you is because you're a woman. If you were a man, the way I would have punched your face,
your behavior.
You wouldn't have liked it.
It is your behavior. You're a violent person.
And you are what?
I don't even understand how people like you even make enough money to even live in a place like this.
Madam.
Yes?
Madam, watch your mouth.
You too, watch your mouth.
You know, I know people like you. You came here to beg. You're corporate beggars. You come, oh, this is my child is sick. That's what you came to do. You came to beg.
I have a job.
What job? Looking like this.
Let me tell you something. I am the official cleaner of this estate. Yes. PLC International. I clean very well. With that, I say open this gate. I said bring your son. What, you think because I'm a woman you can intimidate me?
Madam,
you cannot intimidate me.
Madam,
you cannot.
Do not piss
your
me off.
son
I will
slapped my
slap
daughter.
the ethnicity out of you.
Try it. Try it!
I will call the estate security. They will take you out.
They cannot. I am duly certified to work here.
You don't know who I am.
I am certified to
Madam,
work
you don't
in
know
this
what
estate.
I am capable of doing.
Without me, this place is going to be very dirty. I am the authorized cleaner. In PLC cleaner. Don't even try me.
Madam, you don't know what I'm capable of doing.
What are you going to do?
I will hurt you.
I thought you said I'm a mad woman. Why are you talking to me now? Okay. Bring your son. I said bring your son to apologize.
Madam, you don't want to do this with me. You don't want to do this with me.
Look at the little girl. You can't even say sorry. What planet are you from? What planet are you
How
from?
do I even know she's crying? How do I know that she's crying? Or you want to use her to beg money? You think I don't know the kind of people? Or how much do you want? Let
Look
me
at
pay
her. We don't need your money. We don't need your money.
I know beggars like you. They just come
money.
and they.
Who is a
please,
beggar?
my daughter is sick.
I have a job. I have a job. You are a bad man. You are a bad man.
And
If you can do this to, if you can do this to a child, you are a bad man. You are a bad man. Very wicked man. You and your son. No wonder. Ooh. Can you imagine? Don't worry. Don't worry. Let me tell you something. I will work extra hard if I have to, and I will buy you a toy. Do you understand me? Leave them. Don't worry. God will judge them. Let's go. Let's go.
Kevin, where is it?
Huh? Where's what?
I'm not playing with you. I said, where is it?
Dad, why are you searching my room? You don't even have a search warrant.
A search warrant?
Yes!
A search warrant?
Yes!
Kevin, you better not be playing with me. You're sure you've not been downstairs?
I have not been downstairs.
Get up.
Huh?
I said get up.
Get up. Okay. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm so sorry.
So you mean you were lying to me through your teeth?
Oh, come on, Dad. Come on. I found it with a little teeth.
If you open your mouth one more time, I will give you a dirty slap. You are grounded and you're not leaving this room.
Oh, come on, Dad. You can't be this serious. Come on. Come on, Dad. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. So what do I have to do in my life now?
Good evening, sir.
Hi, how are you, Angel?
Fine, sir.
I see you've been working hard out here under the sun. So I made a meal.
You agree I've been working hard. Oh, so you know I work. I'm not a mad person anymore.
No, I never
Okay,
said...
are you here to apologize?
Okay, well, I am here to... I brought you this to just as a peace offering, that's all.
Okay, to confirm what you said now, that I'm a beggar.
No, I never said...
I don't even know if you have a camera around here. Oh, so you want to give it to me. So while I'm holding it, you snap me. And
No,
it's
no,
evidence
there are
I'm
no
a beggar.
cameras. I'm not a content creator.
Please allow me. Allow me to continue my work.
Madam, okay, baby girl, if your mom wouldn't take it, why not just take it?
No. Do you think I didn't raise my child well?
I never...
Please go. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. We are working.
Okay, fine.
We are working.
I'll
We are
go.
not mad people. We are working. Bring the broom and the packer. You're here to give me food as a beggar that I am. Let's go this way.
Madam, I was hoping that we could...
Listen, you need to apologize to me. And your son then needs to apologize to my daughter. Anything short of that, I am not interested.
Dad, how can you allow a common street cleaner talk to you rudely? Just like that, and you let her go? This is why I dislike her.
Stop it. Okay? Stop it, Kelly.
Very beautiful parenting skills. You've done very well. And your son? Impeccable.
You don't have to bring sarcasm into this. And you shouldn't be talking like that.
Dad, I didn't do anything
When
bad.
you get back from school, I will school you on many things.
Come on, Dad. I didn't do anything
Shut up.
bad. I was just trying to be real.
Good day, madam. Good day.
Why are you stalking me?
I'm not stalking you. I actually I bought your stuff. Here, take it.
What's with all this shenanigans? All I asked for was an apology.
And
You didn't need to go about buying me stuff, gifts, whatever that is.
I dropped my son at school. I left everything I was supposed to do. Stopped to buy you things and I offer it to you and this is how you talk to me? Even though I'm trying to pacify for what my son did?
Oh, now you believe he did it. Wow.
Okay, yeah. I'm just trying to make up. That's all.
Well, all I ask for is an apology. That's all.
I've been nice to you. I've tried to offer you things. I've bought you stuff. What do you want? You want my blood? You want to kill me?
All I want is for you to say I'm sorry. That's all.
You need me to say I'm sorry, right? You're a very proud woman. You're very proud. You see, you deserve to be where you are today because of your pride. And as a woman, you shouldn't be proud like that. You should be humble. You should be humble. Humility is something you need to learn. I don't blame you. What are you doing? Why are you not at school?
I'm going home.
Why are you going home?
They chased me from school because I didn't pay my school fees.
Oh, yes. Okay, come into the car. Let me take you back to your school.
My mommy said I shouldn't follow any stranger.
Yes, I agree. And she's right. She's right. What's the name of your school again?
St. Bridget's.
St. Bridget. What class are you?
Primary 3A.
Primary 3A. What's your full name?
Naomi Okafor.
Naomi Okafor. Okay. All right. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Mizuki.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I failed you.
But I know everything is going to be fine.
Okay.
God will provide, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, Mrs. Noel Okafor. A man just dropped by in school and paid for Naomi's school fees for 3 terms.
A man? Who is that?
I'm sorry, he didn't specify his name.
I think I know who it is.
Meanwhile, Naomi can return back to school now. She has a midterm test tomorrow.
Okay, I'll bring her. Thank you. That man just paid your school fees. How did he know your school?
I met him on my way back from school and he asked me that I should tell him my name and the name of my school. So,
But next time, don't be too quick to give out information about yourself. It's not safe. There are so many bad people out there. Okay? Alright, let's go back to school. Let's go. This way. I want to say thank you for paying her fees.
thank you, sir. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Naomi, please wait here. I want to talk to Uncle, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Okay. I came to say thank you because that's the honorable thing to do when people do you a favor. But that's not to say I like such favors. Yes, I am grateful. And I know you're trying to be remorseful, but sorry would suffice for me. And we all like gifts, yes, but I don't like them any more than I like self-respect and people respecting me. So, thank you.
I'm sorry. I am deeply, deeply sorry.
I forgive you.
Thank you. I'm Chooks.
Now, was that so hard?
No,
Did it make you feel bad?
it actually made me feel better.
Good. I'm Noella. Emanuela.
Beautiful name.
Thank you.
Do you mind coming inside for a drink?
Oh, I have to run along, sorry.
Please, if you truly have forgiven me, I insist.
I have. I just...
Even if it's a glass of water.
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
Alright.
Alright.
The house is cool.
Thank you. Please sit. Naomi, I'm sorry about the way my son hit you. And I apologize on his behalf.
Thank you, sir, but I feel he should apologize himself. He didn't do anything wrong to me.
Yes, I will make sure he does that. In the meantime, let me get you guys something. Water? Alright then, I will be right back.
It's nice.
I hate it. Those things are put into the mouth.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So let me go get him. Okay. Kevin!
Shoot up, shoot up. Shh. Come on, reverse chain. Hey, guy. Come on, driver. Come on,
Before
driver.
I close my eyes and I open them, take those shoes off the bed now! What is wrong with you? Hey, you will stand when I talk to you. So So I take your toys and then you turn everything you can see into a toy. Now you're playing with your shoes, putting them on the bed. What is wrong with you? Don't try that again. And now that lady and her daughter, the one you slapped, is outside. So you will go and you would apologize to them. You hear me?
Never.
What did you say? I said you will come with me and you will go apologize to them.
I said never! Look, Dad, why do I have to go and apologize?
Because it is the right thing to do.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I see you do a lot of wrong things and you don't apologize at all. All you do is just buy gifts and then please your heart. Finish. You do that to me, you do that to Grandma, so why should I apologize? Just give them my snacks for tomorrow. Yeah, because they're poor and they're hungry. Yeah.
Shut up. Oh, you see, I am not perfect, right? And I am constantly learning and unlearning and relearning. So that is what you should do too. You should learn, unlearn, relearn, and all that. So yeah, we will talk about that later. Come, apologize.
Never. Men don't apologize.
I said you will come with me and you will go and apologize.
Nah, just give them my snack, like I said.
Put on your slippers. Put it on. Put it on. Wear it. Wear it.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Oh, come on.
Apologize to her now.
Dad.
I said apologize.
Never.
Kevin. What is wrong with you? I said apologize to her.
Okay. Never.
I'm sorry. Kevin! See, if I slap...
No.
This is so embarrassing. I'm sorry.
You need to. I think you should talk to him kindly. Teach him to be kind. Teach him to be better. To learn how to apologize when he errs. And if they don't know better, they will not do better. I've seen situations where children beat up their parents, and the world is such a terrible place. And for us to make it better, it has to start with our children. So, we have to do better for them.
Thank you so much for this.
You're welcome. So, we need to run along because we need to pick up a few things.
Okay, let me walk you guys to the gate.
Let's go. Say bye-bye, sir. And say thank you for the water.
Oh, it's okay. So, Kevin, there are a few things that we need to address. First of all, I haven't been a good example to you. I have done a few wrong things that I believe I shouldn't have let you see me do. You know what they say about a bad car? You can't drive far with it. You definitely can't go far with it. So, I want to apologize, first of all, for letting you see me in that bad light. And I do not want you to think that is the normal way to do things. So from now henceforth, we're going to change that.
But I don't know how to be like that. At all.
I'm going to teach you. Okay? So you let me lead you. Alright?
Reading. Wow. I have been not hanging out with those poor people because I don't like to hang out with them. They're always annoying. Oh, especially her daughter. If she misbehaves close to me, I will hit her.
Kelvin!
And I'm not.
No one is hitting anyone. You hear me?
Okay. I mean, I am going to hit
Kelvin?
her. Fine. Sorry, I'm just trying to be real. That's a man.
Alright, Madam Manuela. I should be on my way.
Thank you so much, Ayo. I don't know what would have done without you and this car. God bless you.
Amen. Alright. Good night.
Good night, Uncle. Thank you for the biscuit.
Oh, you are welcome, my dear. God bless you. Good night.
Kaya is a nice person.
Yes. Despite not having a lot, he still finds a way to put a smile on people's faces. Naomi,
Yes, Mom.
you're going to be very rich. And when you are, do not forget the helpless. Okay? Always put a smile on their faces. Because that is the true value of life.
I promise I'll help people that are poor when I grow up.
Good girl. Alright, let us sleep. Alright, lie down. And stretch your legs.
Noella is right. I need to do something about Kelvin. I will need to be firm with him. For every rule he breaks, I will deny him of something he likes. I have to guide him into being a good man. I need to raise a king, not a monster who will be a terror to his future wife, or even me in my old age. It's not too late to right my wrong. Yes, it's not too late.
Dad,
Mm-hmm.
can we go to Gab's after school today?
Well, not until you apologize to Naomi and you stop being rude to people.
Dad.
What? Listen to me. Your basic needs I will provide. But everything else you want, you have to earn.
Dad, this is not fair.
Being rude to people is not fair. My word is final.
My name is Calvin. I'm so sorry for hurting you the other time we met.
Yeah, that's okay. I forgive. People make mistakes.
Thank you.
Can we drop her off at school?
Oh no, her school is just around the corner. There's no need for that. Thank you.
Oh, I see. Well, on our way back from school today, we are going to Gab's. Hope you don't mind if we take her with us. Or you can come too.
I didn't want to be a bother.
I promise it's not a bother.
Please.
Thanks.
Okay.
You're welcome. Later then.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Oh my God. Danny. This place is nice.
Alright. I missed you, Sha.
I missed you too.
It's good to see you again.
Same here. You're not looking bad.
Oh, thank God, though. There's a lot's doing. It's marvelous in our sight.
And your place. Very nice.
Okay, well, if you say so. I'm managing, I'm trying.
This. Managing. Guy, you are doing so well for yourself, trust me. This place is so nice. See Daniel. Backyard Danny. See your place now.
And then leave me, Joe. When did you come back?
Well, I came back 2 days ago. But I was with some of my friends, so that's why.
Now what for you? Dora.
Mm-hmm.
You just work hard. You just lock up. No communication. Danny not rich now. We go travel to...
Calm down now. Where travel can't enter this matter?
What is it?
Your girl, it's not easy, oh. It's not easy. Don't think traveling is easy. It wasn't easy. Message or coffee spoil things for me. Now, person house I've been there.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. And I'm not telling her I get bubble. So, all those kind,
Dora for the streets. What should I offer you now? Tell me.
You know what I do.
Okay, I got you.
Mm-hmm.
I got you. Let me put this inside. I'll come with it, okay?
See Daniel. We don't another man around the sofa. This one's the here they enjoy. You see house. That's good.
This girl, Sha.
But it's true.
Dora. Now you be this, so. Life and direct.
That's me. How far that my OG now?
Who?
My old Bob now.
That Chuxi they talk about like that.
How you doing?
Well, he moved from this area. After that, I never see him. I don't know anything about him.
Maybe you don't find any land villa. What do you expect?
Dora, which kind of talk with that now?
No, you tell me, what do you expect? What do you expect from a lazy, jobless man like Chooks? A man that cannot even feed himself. Guy, I suffer for that marriage, oh. This my eyes see shaggy. That man used love, wash me, scatter my brain. But you see hunger pass am. Hunger pass love because hunger can't open my eye. I can't say make I find my way. If I know wetin I know now, then guy, person no fit use my head play now.
Oh, wow. But you still waka leave the pikin. You should have at least carry your son now.
Why you dey reason like this?
No, for real. You would have carried him.
You dey talk like say you no know streets. No be who chop go carry person gun body. I say make I go hustle. See something. I'll come see road where come reason pikin. I mean, papa no dey there. No only woman dey carry pikin. Where I go?
Now, Trisha. But thank God you got what you wanted. Abby, did you get what you wanted?
Obviously, yes. I did. Abby, you don't trust me again. Dora. Now, if person call me gold digger, with my full chest, I will answer. Do you know why? I went there, I digged the gold, and I returned.
Dora the Gold Digger.
Oh, that's the name.
Now for you, Sha. Don't talk that for outside though. But wait. Now so you just abandoned me. We go travel this travel. Don't worry. You just left, no communicate, nothing. Me, Dora, Danny.
Oh Lord. Nothing say easy for them. That place no smooth though. I suffer. Man use me do shege. I lick feet just to survive. See you now, you're doing well. See your house. You go tell me the secret, I beg. Tell me.
I shall not go dig good.
I didn't see her for your neck, man. The gold shine.
I must give you credit for how well you've raised your daughter.
Thank you. But we have to go now.
Oh, why not stay a little more? It's the weekend tomorrow.
I know, but I have to work. I've been paid to clean an estate and I have to do my job.
About that job. Do you really have to do it? I could pay you any amount.
Thank you. But there's dignity in labor. I'd rather work on my daily bread rather than depend on you like a parasite.
Oh, no, please. Don't see it like that.
But I insist. Except you feel some type of way associating with a common estate cleaner like me.
First of all, you're not common. And I don't mind at all.
Thanks. But I insist. We have to go now, okay? Naomi, it's time to go. Let's go.
Mom, I don't want to go. This is the best I've ever had in my life. Thank you, Katrina. Thank you, Kelvin. I had more fun with you than I usually do when I hang out with my dad.
Well, you know I've always told you, we are stronger when we're together.
Yeah.
I'm sure you are. Thank you so much, Trix. Thank you so much, Kelvin. And thank you so much for the
Oh, no.
shopping.
Okay. Let's walk then, shall we?
Thank you. Say thank you again.
It's okay. It's okay. So tell me, how was it?
Well, at first, she was annoying. But on the second thought, she made me feel better.
We actually are peaceful and we find more peace when we do the right thing. Don't you think?
Yeah, kind of sweet.
Good.
Can you imagine this?
What?
Naomi says she has never, like in her life, tasted ice cream.
Oh, she has? Never?
Yeah, like never. Especially most of the things she bought in the market. Whew. But it made me feel better. The way they were so happy. No. Yeah. And they nearly worshipped us. Like, they were like, oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think maybe we should try it again.
Kevin.
Yeah?
We shouldn't do good for accolades.
Oh.
Yes. We shouldn't do good because we want to be praised. We should do good and be selfless about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what does that bring us?
Doesn't have to bring us anything. God is good to us. He keeps us safe. He keeps blessing us. And what does He get in return?
Let me guess. Nothing.
Nothing. So you see? So the whole idea of doing good is because God has commanded us to do good. You understand? Because the Bible says that the key to receiving is to give.
Okay.
Do you understand? So we must obey that and be selfless while we do that. Not for sometimes even appreciation, thanks, accolades, praises, whatever it is. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So do you think I should invite them over tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that is if they accept to come anyway.
For sure. Okay, so, okay. Ooh.
Do I play first or you play second?
No, I play first. I play
Alright,
first.
go ahead.
Okay. You still play this game? Like, for real?
Go ahead.
Nice.
I'm so happy you guys are in our house.
Thanks.
How do I? Okay, you go like this. Thank you, God. Yes. How?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your hospitality and your kindness. We really appreciate.
You're welcome. If you're ready, I could go drop you off at your home.
We don't have a house.
Wait, what do you mean by we don't have a house?
We live in Uncle Ayo's car.
Noella, what is she talking about? Is it true? Talk to me. Naomi, is it true?
We've been living in Ayoska for 5 months now. We get up at dawn and get ready before everyone else wakes up so he can leave with his car.
And I have all this space in my house. All those rooms that are not occupied. You know what? Oh, we're going to go to Ayo now. We'll pack the things that are important. You're moving in with me. I'll go get my car key. I'll be right back. Jesus Christ.
I'm sorry, Mommy. Since my daddy died and they kicked us from the house, I've never slept in anything like a bed. It's either carton, mat, or car seats.
Oh, I'm deeply sorry for you guys' struggles, sleeping on the street. I'm so sorry. I didn't understand you guys. I'm sorry.
The day we saw your toy, we prayed for it and God answered.
Wow. I'm sorry. I didn't understand your pain and your struggles. I'm sorry. Oh, and another sorry for hitting you. Friends? Friends. So we're gonna call it a good night. Yeah.
Kevin, why are you moody? Talk to me.
Mm-hmm. Oh, while I've been angry and so I'm sad that you didn't get my favorite cartoon bed sheet, and my age mates don't even have a roof over their head, not even a bed.
You see, son, life can be humbling sometimes. You see, the people who work harder than us, the barrel pushers, the cleaners, the hawkers, the petty traders, sometimes they even have it harder than we do. So that's why at all times, we must remember to be thankful for all we've got, and also to be merciful. To understand and to be kind. So we should not look down on them. We should always learn to bring them close and be kind.
Oh. Dad?
Yeah.
Are you going to help Noella and Naomi?
Well, to the best that I can, I will. I've realized that they don't like receiving help from people,
Okay.
especially because they're not comfortable yet. So, I guess I'll do what I can to make them, comfortable. And moreover, since Miss Noella is educated, I'll, get her a job.
Okay.
Don't worry, they'll be fine. Alright. So
I feel so
now,
bad for
yeah, it's okay. It's okay. They'll be fine. Get some sleep, right?
Okay.
See you in the morning. Alright. Don't forget to say your prayers. Alright.
I'm fragile.
I know. Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams. Oh, sorry. Forgot to say my prayers. In Jesus' name, Father Lord, thank you.
Good morning, Chicks.
Hi, good morning.
It's fine. Let me handle that.
You sure you want to do that?
Yep, step aside.
Don't hurt yourself.
Really? So, Ayo came to the gate. I gave him his car key and offered him some money, but he refused. He's such a nice guy, you know.
Yeah, what's your relationship with Aya anyway?
Oh, he's just somebody who saw that I needed help and decided to offer the help. That's all.
Oh, yeah, fine. I shouldn't be asking questions like that.
Oh.
I don't have the right to. It's fine.
No, it's fine. You're my friend, and you have every right to know.
Okay, so I'm thinking of getting you a befitting job rather than the one you do now.
Thanks. That'd be nice.
Thank God. I was thinking you were not going to accept.
Why not? I like work.
Okay. All right. You have your credentials.
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. I'll take them with me and submit them.
It's fine. So, run along. I'll finish this.
You sure I shouldn't be here and help you do a few things?
Don't worry. I know my way around the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
So there's how.
Danny! You took so long?
Yeah, so can you go through this please? Check the video.
Oh, okay. This is Chooks. Guy, where did you get this video from?
I was eating at a restaurant when so they have the supermarket downstairs and I saw Chooks and your son. Chooks wasn't a very, very nice car. He was looking rich. Like, Baba don't pick money. Oh.
Chooks. Chooks.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable. Chooks in such an expensive ride? This is something I never knew I was going to ever see.
Life is unpredictable.
I need to know more about this new Chooks.
For what?
My child. Yes, our son.
Okay.
Fine, Danny, you know me too well. Any good thing that can come out of it.
For your son, yes. But any good thing. Really, Dora, see, don't go there. Come on, you don't want to do that.
Danny, can't you see something good will come out of this? At least let me eat the fruit of my years of hardship.
You never cared about the guy.
Yeah. And now I care.
Yeah, you do.
So please. I mean, I need more information about him.
I don't have information to give you. Honestly, I don't.
The supermarket. The name.
Dora. Okay, yeah, Day Supermarket.
That is a good place to start. Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes. I'm just, shocked, surprised. Chooks, big, big right.
Okay, say so.
Yes.
Give my phone. I'm coming. Dora!
Yes! I'm coming.
Hello, my children. How's school today?
Fine.
Good. Yeah, and you're all sweaty. Go upstairs, go, freshen up, take a shower, and come back. Food. Welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
So.
Please, can we sit? I got you a job. The pay is 300,000 naira a month. For now, check it out. It's okay. And so, in the meantime, I wanted to ask if Naomi can join Kelvin in his school next term.
Yes, I can afford it now.
I'm paying for it. I just needed your permission. Hey, come on, don't do this. Don't cry. Okay?
Thank you.
No, it's fine. You deserve it. I'll go upstairs now and freshen up. Okay? I'll join you back later.
Danny!
Okay. What's the excitement about?
I saw them. I saw my husband and my son. I now know where they live.
Your husband and your son.
Yes. Jukes. And my son Kay. Do you know Jukes is doing so well for himself now? My husband.
Okay, so you saw them, you know where they live. So, what's the plan?
Jukes is my man. And now that he's doing so well, I will stay.
Okay, so you just want to jump back in, like you've been away. You're not calling anybody. So you just want to jump back into. I don't understand. how's the thing playing in your head?
Jumping back into his arms wouldn't be as difficult as you think. Because we have a son. And of course, he is my husband, so I know my ways to his heart.
So Chooks would be waiting for you all this while. You think he would just stay there, waiting for Dora to come all the while? You think there is nobody else? Of course there is somebody else. So what's the plan with that person?
Do I look like I care?
No.
Of course I don't. He belongs to me. And trust me, I always get what I want. I know my ways.
Alright. You didn't surprise me. Honestly, you get mind, you get power.
I trust my step.
If I get your kind of power, I for don't turn out $1.
Oh, my husband. He's looking so cute. I can't wait to have him again. Hold him. So cute.
Wow.
Miss Noella,
Yes, Kelvin?
you know, we've known each other for a very long time now. I've been willing to ask for a favor. Can I call you Mom? Oh, what happened? Why are you choking?
Is that what you want?
He came to me earlier today and he asked the same question. And I told him, if you permit, it's fine.
Well, if that's what you want, and you're fine with it, it will be my honor.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you.
Can I conquer Chooks, Dad?
Of course. With all pleasure.
Thank you, Dad!
Now we have a happy home. Come on, let's get up.
I think there's someone at the gate.
Yeah. Alright, don't make a mess.
Don't make a mess. I'll be right back.
You're making a mess. No.
Don't make a mess.
Diana, she's making a mess. Oh, that's not fair. Oh, how is it not your fault?
Baby. Oh my God.
What is this? What is wrong with you?
Well, I am back. Back for good. Wow. So this is your house? Oh my God, I've missed you.
Hey, what are you doing?
I've missed you. What about our son? He must be grown now. I can't wait to meet him.
Our son? Really?
Just why are you acting this way? You should be excited to meet me.
Excited to meet you? You abandoned me. You abandoned our son for 7 whole years and eloped with another man. And you just show up unannounced and you're telling me I should be excited to see you.
Chooks, he was a family friend and you know this. Baby, you've always known my dream to go to America. Well, the plan was to go there. When I'm stable, I will come bring you and our son. Because you're not stable, but things didn't work as planned, but I'm back now.
So what do you expect me to do? I already told the boy his mother is dead. It'll be best for you if you just go back to where you're coming from.
I have missed my son. And I'm here to see my son. Please, can I see my son? Please. Um, okay.
You can see him, but only for a moment.
So can I get the bag, baby? My baby! Oh my god! My son! My baby! I missed you so much!
Who are you?
Welcome.
Welcome, Mom.
And
Who are you?
who are they?
Oh, this is my mom. This is my sister. And this is our home. You're welcome. So who are you?
Well, I'm your biological mom. My son.
Dad? I thought you said mom died long time ago.
She... It, yeah, I said that. I did say that. She was away for a very long time and we didn't communicate, so I thought she was dead.
Wow, that's good.
Son, I lost your dad's contact. Mom traveled abroad to work so hard for you and Dad. Okay? I will not intentionally leave you for anything. I'm here now.
Okay, good. That's good. At least now I know who my mom is.
Yes. Yes. And I know who my son is. I missed you.
Okay, my neck. Oh. Okay. Okay. So, you like to join us?
Chicks, I'm so hungry. Please, is there food in the house? What? I need to eat.
Yeah, yes. There's some food.
Get me some. Son! Your mommy is back! You're so big now!
Yeah.
Come, I'll take you upstairs. Let's go.
Okay. I'll be right back. It's
Okay.
It's so big. My baby. My baby. It's cute.
I'm so happy you've seen your mom. You've seen your real mom.
Yeah.
And Jackson said, "Oh no, we have gotten rid of them." It's funny. You're not laughing.
I'm not used to anyone telling me bedtime stories. It feels odd.
Don't worry, son. Now that I'm back, I am going to pamper you. I'm going to give you kingly treatment. Whatever you want, mommy is going to provide for you. Okay?
Sounds cool.
Yes. All you have to do is cooperate with me and we will live happily ever after. You, mommy, daddy, and no one else.
Mommy Mommy's and Naomi live with us. Please.
Don't call her mommy. She is not your mother. Does her daughter call me mommy?
No.
Then don't call her mommy. Just face your mommy, okay? In fact, they shouldn't be living here with us. Tell daddy to take them to somewhere else, a different house. They're going to spoil our happy ever after, okay?
No, that's not true, Mom. They're nice people.
Pretenders. Thieves. Human being can be dangerous. It's possible they are trying to make your daddy hate you and chase you out of this house. Adopt her daughter. Marry her. That is their plan.
That's not true.
Don't worry. Very soon, you will discover the truth yourself. As for now, you just have to rest. Trust your mommy. Nobody can love you more than your own mother. Mothers are always right. Okay?
Okay. Mom, can I sleep now?
Sure, son. Good night.
Good night.
I love you, son.
Love you too.
Good night.
She was adamant. She was adamant about going to the States, relocating and all that. I tried to talk to her about it. She wouldn't listen, and after much back and forth, I gave in. And that was the last I heard of her. She claimed she was a maid. She had no money. She had no contact of mine.
But I thank God. At least now she's reunited with her family.
We're not family. We're just engaged at the time.
But she's Kelvin's mom.
Does it matter? Ella, I've been feeling a certain pain in my chest. I've been sick to my stomach. I've been afraid. I've been worried. I've been scared that she would come in between the both of us. And in that moment, this very moment, I've realized that I've fallen for you.
I don't know what to say. I've fallen for you too. But you have a fiancé, and she's back.
She left for 7 years. We thought she was dead.
I'm sure she still feels something for you.
But I feel something for you.
I don't know. I'm just worried. I don't want to start something and it stops halfway. I'm worried. I don't want to give my heart out and then, face disappointment.
Listen to me. I will not disappoint you. I will stand with you. And I will stand beside you. You can trust me. I've not seen her in the past 7 years. 7 whole years. So it's difficult to just trust my house into her care. My son. If I'm going to let her in, I need to know what I'm getting into. Just let me know everything you can find. Anything, everything, leave no stone unturned. Noella is fine. I just, look, I need to find a way to manage the situation. It's fine, I can talk to you later. As for the investigation, I'll pay for it. Alright, thank you.
Okay, madam. Trying to gulp down a whole bottle of vodka in one go is not healthy. You want to kill yourself? What's the problem, ma? Calm down, Joe. What's the problem? What's it?
Nuela.
Who is that?
One dirty, smelly young girl flocking around my man.
Oh, Chuck's girlfriend.
I don't think so. But I can see the spark in her eyes. And I can tell she has a thing for Chooks. But I promise, I won't let it happen.
Okay, what if it is Chuks that has a thing for her?
I don't think so. Chooks has taste.
Do you really expect that Chuks will be single while you were away? As in, is that what you're expecting?
Is that your advice?
Don't get me wrong, oh. Because you said that you have your way around his heart. But now you are acting scared, drinking yourself to death. So?
I can see I'm speaking to the wrong person. Give me my drink.
Not here. You're in my house. I better calm down. I'm on your side. Alright? Relax. I'm on your side, okay? But with the way you're going, obviously you don't have your way around his heart. So maybe you should take things slow and think and figure it out. Good advice.
I know what to do.
Auntie, this is your what to I know what to do. I don't trust it. Shall know what you're doing, Shall. Be careful, please.
What do you think you're doing?
It's nothing. I'll just clean it up.
I said, what the hell do you think you're doing in my house?
It's nothing.
It's nothing.
Yeah.
I know what you've been up to for the past 7 years. You got married twice. And the last one was a drug dealer and you've abandoned him the way you abandoned me and my son. Right?
I'm back.
You're back?
Yes.
Listen, I'm not going to have you do this around my son. I am not going to have you in my house doing this. So out of the goodness of my heart, I'm going to ask you politely to leave. You hear me?
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Babe, it's nothing. Our son won't see, okay?
If I close my eyes and I open it, you will not like me. Your bags.
Babe.
I said your...
Baby.
In fact, I will bring the bags outside. Move it!
What are you doing?
Nonsense! Drugs. Dora, drugs! You are a mother, like you. I knew you to be street smart, not reckless. You brought drugs to this house because I saw the traits. How could you now? You are more than this now.
I actually don't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
Dora, you took drugs to your son's, where your son is. You took drugs there. Is that not, you are very, I don't even know what to say. You're very daft too. God, man.
I'm sorry, the drug was just pushing me. I wanted to avoid it, but I couldn't. I'm sorry.
See, don't be sorry. Be responsible.
I will. Please,
Man,
what
I can't stand you now.
Danny, please, this is not the time to go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Everybody cannot leave me now, please. I'm sorry. I need help. I need help. I'm sorry. Danny, please, I'm sorry. What did I do? What did I do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just need help. I need help. I need help. Somebody, please. Sorry. Daddy, I'm sorry.
Stop crying, okay? The tears will not solve anything. You need to get better. You need to do better.
I can't lie. After seeing my son again, rekindled a mother's passion I thought wasn't there anymore. My little boy has grown into a cute and intelligent boy. I promise I don't want to miss the opportunity of seeing him anytime I want. I still want my son.
Exactly the reason you have to give them space. This drama, now, it's not going to work. Have you forgotten that you lied about why you left in the first place? Have you forgotten? And there is more to this. If your son finds out, then you become an irresponsible mother.
I won't lie. It's obvious he truly loves our lady. I guess I cannot eat my cake and still have it.
No, you can't. They need space. That's what you need to do. Give them space.
I take full responsibility for all my actions. I take it. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. I guess I have to be punished for all of this. I'm sorry.
It's okay, alright?
I'm sorry.
When you go back to the state, you just have to promise me one thing. You get into a rehab. You get help.
I promise. I promise I will.
You have to do it for your boy because a time will come when that boy will need the mother.
I know.
You
For
have
my
to be
son,
ready.
I will do anything. I just can't wait for my son to be close to me. I will. I know it's not going to be easy, but I will do anything just for my son to be close to me again. I'm sorry. I will do anything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you, Danny, for being a true friend.
Of course, I'm a good friend. It's alright.
I messed my life.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
Thank you.
Well, she said a lot of bad things about you. She said I should tell my dad to send you away from this house. Yeah. But I told her that you guys are nice people. And when I was in school today, I felt a little bit down. And my teacher took me to the school counselor. But I didn't want to just say anything. I was just... I don't know.
I'm so sorry, Kelvin, that you had to find out about your mom like this. But with prayers, I'm sure she'll be fine.
I wanted to get her a house, but she refused. She insisted that I book her flight. She's going back to the States.
I mean, but you can talk to her on the phone, right?
I don't want to even talk to her.
Don't say that. She's in my home.
Come here.
No, I usually love your company. I wish I had a mother like you.
But I'll always be here for you.
Would you like to be my stepmom?
Officially.
What do you mean by that?
Well, we together make a beautiful family. And you have been nothing but an angel to all of us.
So, the question is, will you marry my dad? Yes, you will!
Oops.
Yes, you will!
Okay, but he doesn't even have a ring.
Oh my God, I'm gonna get one. So, was that a yes?
I don't know.
I don't want.
I take that as a yes? I do yes! Say yes!
Oh.
Say yes! Okay, okay, okay!
Okay.